Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's explore Shunlok stream again, and this is the second time we're going to that place because the first time when we go there there's no water, so we go back around, I think that was July or August, something like that. So this is late upload again because I don't have enough time to do editing. So, by the way, guys, before going further, let me first say mega love shout out to all my subscribers, likers, viewers, at sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta pa rin sa aking channel hanggang ngayon. Nandyan pa rin po sa supporting. Sa lahat po ng mga admins at mga members, sa lahat po ng mga tahanan na umampun kayo sa gabi. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. At patuloy po tayong mag-explore. Ayan. So, we're on the bus. We're riding on a double-decker bus. So, I am filming the top and the view of the road. So, it's like a road trip first before going there. So, we're going to Saikong, which is the starting point of our destination. So, we started at the Demon Hill and ride on a bus going to that place. So, for the moment, we're on the bus going there. Ayan. So, may kalab shout out po sa lahat ng aking mga friends, family na nandyan pa rin po sa supporting at sa lahat po ng mga nagpapa-shout out. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So, next time ko na kayo pangalanan kasi ang boses ko hindi pa masyadong okay. Medyo paos pa tayo. Hindi pa tayo makadaldal ng marami. So, we're about to ride off on the bus. So, let's keep on, ano bang tawag doon? Exploring. Ayan guys, hindi ko na alam yung sasabihin ko pang iba. So, we pass by here because we're going to the next adventure that we're going to go. Actually, nagpunta na kami last year pero walang tubig. So, kailangan naming bumalik. At this time, may tubig na. So, watch nyo yung aking video sa dulo at saka ito mayroon pa itong part 2. So, it has part 2 and coming soon. After this, kung upload ko na to, isusunod ko na pag-edit yung part 2, which is the relaxing waterfall sounds. Alam niyo naman, mahilig ako sa ganong klaseng video. Yung mga relaxing lang, nature, mga ganon, bird sounds. Ayan, very safe sa ating channel. Ayan. So, this is the road going to Saikong. And, yeah, it takes around almost an hour to go there before we're going to drive off to the station and going to ride again for another van. Ayan. So, sana samahan niyo ako guys hanggang dulo ng aking video na to. Actually, walang boses na yun doon sa dulo. Puro na siya nature sound. Kasi parang hindi na naman makatagal yung ating lalamunan guys. Ayan. So today, I still have a little bit of time for you to share my videos that I took during our adventure going to Shunlok stream, which is we can see the four very beautiful rock pools and waterfalls. Yeah. So, yun lang guys. Hope you enjoy my video for today. At enjoy nyo ang ating adventure going to this place. So, to make this story short, we already dropped off from the bus and we already dropped off from the second vehicle that we ride on. And we're now walking here in this place and there's a lot of beautiful flowers and you can see this very nice view on the road. So I can stop my camera to took some videos here and also to share with you guys. Ayan, so napakaganda, very beautiful. It's like an islands, small islet. So yeah, it's very beautiful. You can enjoy the nature sound with birds, something like that. So yun guys, sana panoorin nyo ang aking video na to hanggang dulo at sana mag-enjoy kayo. So yan lang guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching everyone. So after a long walk, we already reached here in the beach of Saikong. This is the road going to the Shunlok stream. Ayan. So actually this water here is just down, and dun sa taas banda nandoon yung Shunlok stream. So ito yung way papunta doon. Ayan. Nagbaybay kami dito sa sa dagat. At makikita nyo yun doon, may mga nagsisurfing. So dito ako dumaan sa pinaka ginawa nilang pathway para doon. Actually, pwede namang dumaan doon sa gilid ng dagat. Pero last time kasi na dumaan ako doon, yung shoes ko nagkaroon ng mga yung black na anong tawag doon. Para siyang grasa. So hindi na ako dumaan doon. Dito na ako nagdaan para safe yung aking shoes at sa aking attire, kumbaga. Ayan. Para hindi tayo malagyan ng grasa. Kasi maraming grasa galing sa siguro sa mga yan sa mga barko na dumadaan dyan or mga sea vessels. Ayan. So ito yung daan papunta doon mismo sa stream. Napakaganda ng buhangin guys. Makikita mo dito yung white sand saka yung islands dyan. Ang dalawa makikita mo. Beautiful. Pero hindi na ako lumapit dun sa baybay na yun kasi nandun yung mga grasa yan sa mga itim-itim na yan. Diyan nagkagrasa yung ko dati. Yung shoes ko. Ang hirap tanggalin guys. Pati yung sombrero ko nalagyan ng natalsikan ng grasa na itim. So I was sad. That's why hindi na ako lumapit doon banda. Dito lang tayo sa gilid-gilid. Ayan, so we're going forward to the place. Akyat tayo ng, hindi naman siya masyadong bundok. Konting konting hike. Punta doon sa pinaka mismong stream at saka waterfalls. So dito tayo dadaan dito sa gilid. Ayan. Napakaganda ng buhangin, oh. Ito lang sa inyo. So, malayo pa yung lakbayin natin papunta doon mismo sa stream. Magbabaybay tayo dito sa gilid ng dagat. Bye-bye. Ayan. So, napakaganda ng view guys. At saka napakaganda din yung weather nung nagpunta kami dito. Ayan. So, this is I think July or August last year. Adventure. Ngayon ko lang nabigyan ng time para i-edit siya. Ayan. So, yan ang nangyayari, guys. Ayan. So, napakaganda ng beach at saka napakaganda ng... Actually, may nagsusurfing dyan. Pwede siya kasi malalaki yung alon. So, dito na tayo, guys. Shortcut na. Nakarating na tayo dito sa stream. So, ito na yung stream. May tubig siya this time. Last time kasi walang tubig yan. Nagpunta kami dito. Wala siyang tubig talaga. As in, sobrang kunting-kunti lang. Ngayon, medyo okay na. Pero hindi siya actually yung perfect na marami siyang water. Kasi mga ilang days na rin nag-rain bago kami nagpunta dito. But actually, meron pa rin naman. So, we're lucky today na nakuha na natin siya ng video na may water. Pero hindi ako naligo dyan guys. Yung mga kasama ko lang nag-dive sila dyan. Pwede naman kasi mag-dive. This is very nice for diving. Ayan, from doon sa tuktok ng rocks. Doon sila nagda-dive and then down. So maraming mga brave enough to do the diving. So yeah, pero as long as kaya naman nila is alright. So ganun lang guys. Ito yung napakagandang view ng Shunlook Stream or the rock pools. Ayan. So, meron tong part 2 at sana panoorin nyo din ang part 2 nitong aking video na to. Ayan. So, this is the Shunlook Stream or the 4 consecutive waterfalls and pools here in Saikong. Napakaganda guys. So, yun lang muna ang ating ipakita sa inyo ngayon. Abangan nyo yung next video natin. So, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much. Please stay connected to be updated with my next videos. Once again, this is Olabi, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always po. See you in my next videos. Maraming salamat po.